how's it going YouTube? Today we're working on the 1990 F250. Got everything pretty much set and prepped. We got Caleb, he went ahead and put a little bit of air in the tires. So it actually is, all the tires are actually holding air right now, believe it or not. Now we have the wash buckets out, we're using warm water, just trying to help out getting the dirt and the grime off. Caleb's doing a pre-soak with degreaser.
Spiders are coming out everywhere like, oh crap.
Spiders. Caleb's doing like a pre-soak with degreaser right now. He's already hit the back window and it's already starting to come off just a little bit just with it sitting on there. So yeah, we're just doing like a dirty wash outside, then we're gonna bring it inside, go ahead and hit the windshield interior, stuff like that. We also have the hubcaps off. We're gonna go ahead and clean the back side of all these. Same thing with the wheels. There's just roaches and cobwebs stuck in all the wheels. Go ahead and clean all these up as well. Alright, we're about halfway through washing the driver's side, or not washing, actually just pressure washing it. The topper has a little less paint than we thought it did. I guess all those years in grime are kind of hiding all that, but that's no big deal. Probably gonna end up taking all the moldings off, including the door, just because they're kind of...
take the camper top off, huh?
To take the camper top off?
Could take the camper top off when we can paint it.
Yeah, wanted to. We'll go kind of cross that road when we get to it, but here's the driver's side so far. Haven't even hit it with soap yet, and it already looks 100% better, so stay tuned.
think I broke a clip in the grill. Not even gonna lie. You're right.
Alright, as you can see, we have the truck in the shop now. Sorry I haven't talked too much in this video. We just wanted to come in this morning and get straight to work on the F-250. We got more done than what we were expecting to do in the first place. It took all the guys' help to get it pushed into the shop since the truck is not, well, we hadn't even tried cranking it over yet, but we know it's not underneath its own power yet, so it took all the guys to help push it into the shop. Here on the hood, if you guys were wondering, Caleb did do a little test section. See, this is about 3 minutes worth of just buffing and paint, or what we do, wet sanding. So
1,500 wet, 3,000 wet, compound, polish.
And this was about 3 minutes worth of work. So you can kind of see the hexagon lights here, and you don't see them there. So just imagine the whole truck coming back to this color. It's not gonna be perfect, as you can see, but definitely a lot better than what it is now. We did a quick wash on it this morning, pressure washed all the mold off of it. We didn't want to bring the truck inside here and wash it because we didn't want to have all the spider webs and all the mildew and stuff like that underneath all the switch tracks. We did most of the dirty work outside. We still have to do a little bit of washing in here, but we want to do most of the dirty stuff outside. All right, what else did we get done? We got the seats extracted. The carpet is vacuumed, but we haven't extracted it yet.
Already looks a lot better.
Already looks a ton better. Got the steering wheel. Caleb did a quick wipe on the steering wheel.
The steering wheel looks 100% better.
Dash is still dust, so we still have to get to the dash.
I cleaned that section right there by the XLT.
Yeah, just
I
a little bit.
haven't dressed it yet, but you can see
better.
the difference right here, that line.
Oh yeah.
I haven't dressed it, but it'll get a lot deeper once I dress it.
Yeah, it's gonna come back nice. The headliner's still looking good. We just did a quick vacuum on it. That didn't need too much attention.
It really don't even smell in here anymore. But we have an ozone. We're gonna ozone it. You sure?
Right.
You want to go ahead and ozone it tonight?
We might. Hey, hit that lever over there real quick. I just want to show them the back. We did a quick vacuum back here as well. Got all the wood and the bugs and everything that was on those racks. Still got to wipe the rack down, but you can kind of see it's looking a lot better. Hit the door panels real quick. They still need a little bit of attention, but vacuumed out all the cobwebs, stuff like that. Today was mainly just trying to get all the main dirt and mold and mildew, cobwebs, bugs, stuff like that out of the truck. Still needs a good wash. This is also a spot Caleb hit on the topper to see how well the topper would come back. Same thing, kind of see the hexagon lights there, but not here. Caleb's throwing the Ozone machine in there right now, trying to have it work overnight. He also hit this door panel. I think we got to put a pin back in place. I noticed this earlier, that the panel is not completely flush. I think that pin's just out of place, so I'm gonna have to pop that and put it back in. Sorry again for not talking too much in this video. Me and Caleb just want to get straight to work on the truck, and we got excited, and I wasn't recording too much of just talking vlog-wise. But I did get a couple clips of us actually washing it. We still have a ton of work to do, so definitely stay tuned. But until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.